Hi guys, welcome to Paris. We are here at Eiffel Tower. Andito na kami sa Gate B5. Let's go and see. Asan na yung kaya? We are going to Paris. Super excited.
Welcome aboard Singapore Airlines.
Feel at home, kay ko. Good morning. In fact, 11 hours now. 11 hours na namin ngayon sa aeroplano. Hindi ko siya na-feel kasi natutulog lang ako. Si Ate Cora hindi nakatulog. Loaded ako. Grabe. I'm so tension. Pero ang ganda. Yes. You know. Waiting for our breakfast. Ng buhay. Saan ba yung ano? Paris? Ay, malapit na tayo. Oh my God. Kasi dalawang oras na lang. 2 hours na lang. Athens. Mas ibabaw na tayo ng Athens. Istanbul na. It's meal time, breakfast time. Yung makita yung pagkain dyan natin. Yan. Kulang kasi mag-isa. Guys, we're about to landing. Napaka-comfortable ng flight. Natulog lang ako the whole flight. Pambawi. Hindi ako nakatulog nung kahapon. 4 hours na yung tulog ko kasi naka-duty pa ako until 7 PM. Alam niyo ba, first time ko to, this is my first flight with Singapore Airlines. And this is my first time going to Europe. First time flying with Airbus A380. So yeah, first time. Grabe, ang haba ng pagpahak. Welcome to Paris. Ulit.
If you want, if they want support, when they go
How to go from Charles de Gaulle Airport to the city or so-called Paris. We arrived at Terminal 1. We took free shuttle train to Terminal 3 and then take the metro RERB or RERB and just stop to whichever station you are going to. It takes about 45 to 1 hour to Paris. View ng Paris din. Parang ito yung hindi sa sentro, parang bukid. Yan. Bago lang na.
Grabe.
Bago lang namin nahanap yung hotel. Grabe yung lakaran buhatan ng bagels. Europe pa more.
Kaya nga, tapos, grabe ang lamig. Actually, si Lorette, nagtitiis lang yan.
Carry ko na konti.
Ang lamig kaya. Hindi pa natin alam anong
Hello, Paris! Ilang degree ba to?
Hindi ko alam.
Ito
Now
yung...
we are walking.
Andito kami sa Pigalle Station.
Galing kami sa hotel.
Ay, ang liwanag ito.
Nailagay na namin ang aming maleta.
Nailagay na namin. Kaso, hindi pa ready yung room. Kaya, kakain muna kami ng lunch. Tsaka magsha-shopping doon sa... Asan na yung euro? 60 cents. Ayan, dyan. Sa souvenir shops. 10 cents. See you later, guys. Bye! We're on our way to Eiffel Tower. Oh my God, We are here at Eiffel. Look at that. Hindi, ayan na.
Oh my God!
Look at
and
that.
then,
It's
we
the
made
Eiffel
it.
Tower. We made it.
Finally met.
Hello. Umuulan. Sobrang lamig.
It's raining. Don't have umbrella. We are here. I cannot hear you. Never mind.
For bringing us in this place. I never ever dream of it. I never ever dream of it because I thought it's very possible for me.
We can go on a cruise, but we will
We
not.
don't want to.
We have no time.
We still need to go to the Notre Dame Church.
Cathedral.
Cathedral.
And Louvre.
Louvre. So, ito na yun. Ito na yung Eiffel Tower. It's just a normal place. Pero maganda na. Ayan. Paano pumunta ng Eiffel Tower? From Pigalle. From Pigalle na lang. From Pigalle MRT station. Metro. Take a train for 4 stops, no? 4 stops to Charles de Gaulle, Étoile, kung sa spelling pa. Pero pag pronounce Étoile. Tapos, transfer to other train, to Green Line. Ano yung?
Go to
Trocadero. Ito na.
3 stations.
3 stations. Tapos, diretso lang kayo. Walk over there. Walk over there. Ayan yung Notre Dame Cathedral. Unfortunately, naka-close kasi nasunog siya. Under renovation ata. Kaya hindi kami makapasok. Sayang.
Queen.
Yan. Good morning guys. This is our second day here in Paris. And we're walking around St. George Street. St. George ba to?
Rue de Chapelle.
Rue de Chapelle.
I
Hindi
don't
ko
know.
alam. We're going to St. George MRT.
Magkakamukha siya, yung mga building. Tignan nyo daw. There. Ay, hindi nakikita. Ayun. Mawawala na naman kami. We got lost in Paris.
Mag-explore na naman kami. Maliligaw na naman kami.
Sorry
That's
guys,
part,
tumitingin-tingin ako kasi
that's part of our
adventure.
adventure.
Action, scuba coaching. What the pig?
So, see you later
Grabe, ang
on
hirap
Louvre
dito kasi yung
Museum.
mga salita. Yung spelling, iba sa pronunciation.
Tuileries Garden.
Hello guys!
Hello.
We are touring today. Second day. Last day in Paris.
That's in Paris after the whole day.
Hopefully, we'll make the most of it today.
Yes. Because after the tour today, we're going to
Louvre. Ay,
Barcelona.
Barcelona.
Spain. Wow, turista talaga, turista! Woo!
We don't
Yan.
know what we can see here in this garden. Kasi ganyan mo.
Guys, ayan na, nasa Louvre Museum na kami. Ayan. Sa likod ko lang. Stop kami sa Concord para makapunta dito sa Louvre. Ang ganda! Oh my God! Guys, pipila kami, papasok kami sa museum. Titingnan namin na yung smile ni Mona Lisa, tsaka yung Last Supper.
Oh my God, she's doing a video.
15 euro yung entrance. Bibili pa kami ng ticket. Yan. Maraming tao. shopping center ng area ng Paris, Saint-Denis Street. Yan, daming tao.
Sephora.
Ayan o, may Sephora. For tiring day today. Muntik pa kami madukutan ni Cora. Buti alam na namin yung mga modus nila, kaya careful kami. Nahuhuli namin sila. Hindi nila alam na kami yung nanghuhuli ng mga pickpocketers. Super nakakapagod. Hindi kami lakad ng lakad, pero worth it naman kasi napuntahan namin lahat ng gusto namin puntahan. And now we are inside building air. We are on our way to Barcelona. Super sleepy na kami, guys. See you later in Barcelona.